international organizations that are supposed to take care of or manage through these situations are in a weak place right now.
Mm-hmm.
So the IMF probably does not have the capital it's going to need to offer financial assistance to everyone that's going to need it. And I know that China is trying to do more of that, but I think China is going to need its own capital because they have debt problems of their own.
Mm-hmm.
The World Trade Organization is hanging on by a thread. They're really unable to enforce almost anything because they don't have enough board members. The World Bank, other international organizations that keep the financial peace, if you will,
Mm-hmm.
are at a point where, especially if the problems end up being substantial, they may have a hard time keeping an idiosyncratic problem from becoming a global one. So it is not our base case, but I would say that if you're not at least thinking about what might happen if debt proves unsustainable, you ought to start.